Hi, this is Richard Campbell from .NET Rocks and Rhinez Radio, here to talk about our Stockholm Dev Intersection in Europe, September 18th to 20th, as part of the .NET Core 2 launch. And in part of that conversation, I'm also talking with Steve Guggenheimer.
How are you?
Part of the AI team now.
Yep.
AI has now been organized into its own group.
Yep.
And you've got a big role to play.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. We brought all the pieces of the AI platform together in one group now. And also the pieces of research that feed it, so we can work on both the AI platform as well as sort of solutions we can build on top of it, and having a ton of fun. You know, we've got an incredible set of people, and it's a real mix of researchers and engineers coming together, and we get the opportunity to come talk about it. I think, are we there in September, October, November?
It's September 18 to 20.
Awesome.
So
looking forward to it.
You'll have a keynote piece there, and this is. We talked a lot about the emerging experience and the cognitive services pieces. That's only a small part of the overall AI group, though.
Yep. You know, you have everything from the tools for machine learning. You can go all the way down to the hardware, up through the data lake, up through the Spark engine, all the pieces for building your own models, sort of the batch framework, and then you can get into cognitive services, the bot framework. There's the tools that are available. We have something called CNTK. There, TensorFlow's out there, Cafe. So there's a whole sort of platform here that developers can start to take advantage of and build on top of, and that's what's pretty cool.
I'm very excited about that, and I think it's interesting to think in terms of an application I have today that could be extended with its new capabilities, but actually whole new kinds of applications, and very different ways to think about how you work with your customers or work with your data.
Well, I think look, we all grew up sort of making the machine work for us.
Yes.
Teaching a computer or teaching us how to work with the computer. I think we're at the point now teaching the computers how to work with us.
Yeah.
And, I don't always think of it as additionally a new generation of solutions. I think of how do we take the things we do today and both infuse them with intelligence versus, think, gosh, we got to have a new workflow, and then make it much easier for us to interface with them.
Yeah.
And that's sort of the AI at its finest. It's amplifying human ingenuity.
I can't wait to see what you're talking about in the fall.
Looking forward to it. See you in Sweden.
In Sweden, yes.
I love it.
So that's Stockholm in Sweden, September 18th to 20th. Go to devintersectioneurope.com, register today.